morning, everybody. What's up? We're still here in Harupa. I just came over here to move my truck to get it washed. There's the wash bay on the other end of these trailers. I just wanted to see if I could get a wash. It's not gonna be extravagant, but you know, it's better than what it is, and it gets all that salt and crap off of the truck, which everybody knows you don't want to leave that on a truck. So yeah, though it doesn't pick up until 1700. I give them a call a little bit later. It's probably gonna be another hour or so before my truck's even in the wash bay, and then we gotta go look for a trailer. Let's see how today plays out, and we'll just go from there. Alright, so it is 12 o'clock. No, it's 11. No, it's 10:48. And we are creeping into the wash bay. Well, only because you can't really go that fast anyways. Waiting for this guy to get out. And then see how decent the truck will look afterwards. Like if I was in Phoenix and the wash bay was working or open, I would just run it through there and get majority of this salt and crap off. But here at least they scrub the truck because it's not really a drive-through wash bay. But the one in Phoenix is always closed. The people that wash the trucks, they always close it because they use it, and they don't really use it to use the actual components to shoot the water out and everything, but they use it so they could put trucks in there and sit. Yeah, it's weird. You gotta like squeeze in here because of those trailers. And my power steering is not the greatest right now, so as long as you're moving, they'll turn. All right, and they just started washing. It's not really pressure wash, it's just water hose and scrub. So yay! Then from here we can go get a trailer and then get situated and get the hell out of here when the load's ready. I might call them within the hour or whatnot, see if it's ready or not, and then go from there. So see y'all shortly. I'll rephrase that. They got one water hose, one pressure washer. But I'm not about to get out. But at least they're cleaning it, scrubbing it. See how the water beads up? That's only because I got Rain-X on my windows. And my mirrors. Why does it seem so freaking foggy on this camera though? But anywho, yeah. I did get a message earlier saying please call Planner, but by the time I read it or seen it, I tried calling them. No answer, so screw it. But with that being said, yeah. Alright, well, we got the truck out. Like I said, I wanted to get majority of that crap off of there. Well, it was a quick wash. They wet it, let this shit come off. As you can see down, can't even see in the camera, all that dirt that's coming from there. They didn't even open the hood, so it's alright, I guess. But anywho, it's a whole lot better than it was, I guess. I can just say that. You can tell where they miss spots, especially right there. But beggars can't be choosers. I could just take it to a truck wash in Phoenix and get this damn thing actually cleaned the right way. But we'll get there. Right now, looking for a trailer. I'm about to find out if this is even roadworthy. It's brand new. It's 24, but that doesn't mean nothing. Make sure it runs. There's no problems with it. It needs to get blown out, cleaned out. And this is basically the same year trailer that I did my reefer video on the reefers, so it's not bad. Just gotta get it blown out. Got the chutes working, everything's copacetic. It'd be nice if walls were able to stay like this. They're not, so. Shit. So, the last student that I had before the student that I got now, he just upgraded the other day, and he just got his truck. She's going to right now. So, positive. It only had about a half a tank of fuel. So far so good. Registration not there. Registration right there. So let's set this. Degrees, and then 34 degrees, and then we gas them if this trailer is available. I can't see out of my freaking because of the lighting, but I asked them if they wet the engine bay, and they were like, no. So, which I doubt, because they do clean the engine bay. They do wash it, not wash it, but they wet it. And they didn't even lift my hood. I don't know. But anyways, let me get this situated, and then we'll go from there. Alright everybody, so we're here in the yard, Phoenix, as you can see. And the student went home this morning. Someone left all this freaking trash out here. It's ridiculous. But right now I don't have anything. So I don't know what the heck's going on. So yeah, we're just sitting and waiting. Sid and I got to the yard about 5 o'clock this morning. And what screwed me basically is they put home time in for me from the 13th to the 16th. And now that I'm here, and I'm not even taking home time, because they decided to do that shit, because I need to get the student back. Because he had an appointment. So, get up this morning, and they were like, well, what about home time? And I'm like, what home time? So, if I knew they put me for home time, I would have made sure that they would have took me off of home time last night before I parked. So, yeah. But with that being said, I'm sitting here right now. I don't know. I sat half Friday, all Sunday, or Saturday, and all Sunday. And did one load, and I'm still here. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. So, that being said, I don't got really much to say besides I'm just sitting here. Going in there isn't really pleasant because it's just like, how's it going? Oh, I'm just waiting for a load. Yeah. Just waiting to. Gotta answer all these questions and blah blah blah. Like, it's irritating. But get off of here. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I really don't. So, see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully we should, and we are gonna get rolling today. Hopefully not too late. I'm tired of these freaking late loads, running late all the freaking time. Not running late, but running nighttime. So, yeah. All right, everybody. So we got a load. Go to messages. I accepted it. Whatever. It's going back to Cali, which is fine to an extent. Hold on. Alright, my freaking lens seems like it's always foggy every time I try to record, and I gotta wipe it down before I use it. That's just me getting dispatched. So, load has a pickup time anywhere from 2200 tonight till 6:33 tomorrow morning. Now, the only issue that I have with this load is Hillshire, they use their window. They know they have a window. I have to sit and wait all day today just to pick it up, because they won't load it. Like, I could go over there, start my clock, drop the trailer off, but I still have plenty of time to get rolling. Because once I get over there, I'll drop my trailer off and then I'll PC wherever the heck I'm going to sit at. Which, I could sit over there all day long. I don't really need much. I don't know. But that's how we're looking at it. But, I don't know. And I asked him, like, what's up with all these loads you're giving me are, like, towards the end of the day. Like, who wants to wake up in the morning? Like, granted, I went to sleep at 5 o'clock. I got up about 10 o'clock. So, now you're giving me a load to where I'm sitting all day, and I won't sleep. I will not go to sleep all day today, because I already went to sleep. Yeah, 5 hours, but I'm trying to keep moving. But why can't I just get a center load that picks up sooner? That's just my thing. So anyways, I'm just blabbing. We'll find out. Alright, everybody. or somewhere. Where the heck are we? I always forget the name of this town. Parker. This is Parker? That was Quartzsite. Oh well. But anyways. Alright everybody, we just stopped to get fuel over here, I believe, Quartzsite or Parker. I call it Quartzsite. But it is 1:40 right now, and we are headed to Cali. Most likely gonna end up stopping in Aruba. Shut down there. So y'all can see me. Shut down there. And do our 10-hour break. And get up. Then take off. So we should be there about 4:30 in the morning. Hopefully you can hear me. And there was no way. Sorry. But anyways, I got to my pickup about 9:30. Then I ended up checking in, sat there for a minute. I was gonna lay down and get some sleep, but I didn't get no sleep. So yeah. So my goal is to get down here, park, probably be up until 6 o'clock in the morning, and then try to take a nap, get up. But get up, get to my delivery, do my 10 at my delivery, and then deliver. That's how I'm looking at it anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys can hear me, and yeah, go from there. So I will see you guys down the road, see how this works out, and go from there. For some reason I thought today was Monday, but it's actually Tuesday. So kind of threw me off on how I wanted to do this. So yeah. But anyways, see y'all later. Alright, sorry everybody, I didn't record earlier, or yesterday or last night. It just got dark and I was just tired this morning. Got to the yard about 4 o'clock, found a parking spot, went in, waited till one of the driver leaders came in, got stuff situated, came back to my truck, got more stuff situated, tried to anyways, and then finally went to sleep. Throughout the whole morning, throughout the day so far, my phone's just been ringing, texts coming through, or messages coming through, phone ringing, trying to make sure that I try to get a load, and it's just, yeah. That's why I don't sleep during the day, because I don't get sleep, because everything's going on during the daytime. So, but we ended up getting a student, but he's out of Phoenix, and they're gonna shuttle him out to Cali. I don't know. We're gonna head up the hill. I already got another load coming right back down. So let's see how this works out, and let's get on the road and get out of this yard. It's already 3 o'clock. I could have left an hour ago, so we'll see y'all later. Morning, everybody. We're here at our delivery. Got here about 10 o'clock yesterday, and it is 9:14, and we are backed into the door. I had a load going back to Aruba, but that load was canceled, so now I don't have one that I can pick up today. Today is Thursday, so pretty screwed for moving today. They sent me another Fairfield beer load, picks up. But it doesn't pick up until tomorrow. So, yeah. We're gonna leave it like that.